Welcome back, everybody, and thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm Kristin Stampini in Boca Raton, Florida with RE/MAX Services. And welcome today to StampTV, your best source of real estate information, tips and tricks for buyers and sellers and for real estate agents. So today what I'm going to be talking about is sharing with you tips for first-time home sellers in today's real estate market in 2019. So every market's a little bit different, and make sure to stay tuned till the end, because at the end of this video, I am going to provide you with a list, a detailed checklist of what to do to sell your home fast and for top dollar. So don't miss that checklist at the end. Make sure to also ask questions through this video anytime you want, would be great. So, okay, let's get started. Pricing a home accurately and competitively is so important. If you overprice a home, you're gonna get very few showings, or if it's way overpriced, you may get no showings at all. And that's not good. The first 2 weeks your home is on the market are the best 2 weeks it's on the market. And you want to make sure that you get the most traffic during those 2 weeks to sell your home fast and for top dollar. And those are statistics done all across the country, that the first 2 weeks you will get the most for your home during that time. And if it's priced really competitive, you may actually get multiple offers during that time. So make sure to keep it on the market over the weekend when you first put it on the market. And so you can get multiple showings, have an open house right when you put it on the market. And that usually drives traffic. Next, simple staging tips boost selling power and appeal of your home. You know, homes that are staged sell for more money. And you can watch my other videos to see exactly what to do. Simple home staging tips, because I have other YouTube videos on StampTV that actually talk just about that and what you can do with simple stage staging tips for under $1,000. Also, being flexible for showing is very important. You know, buyers want to see homes when they want to see it in their schedule, not on your schedule, unfortunately. So during that time, they might not even come back if you don't show the home during their time. You make sure that you have professional photos taken. These will be all over the internet and all over your marketing materials. And you want to make sure that you get the best exposure for your home. And to do that, having professional pictures taken is so important. Even possibly drone or Matterport 3D pictures, depending on what your home is. You know, make sure also that any offers that come in, that you're getting back to them quickly. Respond to them. It's important not to just decline an offer, counter it, even if it's at full price, because a lot of the time the buyers will come up. The next thing is make sure you're hiring the right agent, and that's so important, who can get you the most exposure on your home, markets it really, really well, has buyers for you, and sells it for the highest price. Is this realtor a full-time realtor? Do they have proven success? You know, not all realtors are the same, and just hiring maybe your friend or a relative might not be in the best interest for you. So make sure to watch my YouTube video on 20 questions to ask your realtor before putting your home on your market. Next, make sure your home is marketed effectively. Make sure your realtor shows you proven marketing plan. Do they have a list of actual buyers? So a lot of realtors' marketing plan is just to put it on the MLS and put a sign in your yard. You know, make sure that your bathrooms feel luxurious, with shower curtains and towels and fancy soaps and flowers and scented candles. Those are just simple things. Mow the lawn and the hedges and the mulch and bright colors for flower pots and a new doormat and front door and seasonal wreath. So those are just some of the things that you can do. And if you'd like this detailed checklist that I have for sellers, make sure to either email me or go in the link below. And it's for fast top dollar on how to sell your home. And I'm providing you a detailed list on how to do that. If you like this video, please comment below and click on the thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, also put any questions or comments that you have below as well. And you can click on that bell symbol, which is going to give you the weekly videos. It's going to tell you when they're live. So thank you so much for watching StampTV today and your YouTube channel for weekly real estate tips. Bye, everybody.